Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. I am Neha Rajvanshi and I welcome you all in our today's class, that is English class of class 9th. So students, in the previous video we have started reading with our part 1 from the chapter 8, that is Reach for the Top, okay? And in this part we are reading about Santosh Yadav, that is a very famous personality from India because she is the only woman in the entire world who scaled Mount Everest twice, okay? And we will know more about her journey in today's video. So let's continue the chapter. My college semester in Jaipur was to end in April, but it ended on the 19th of May. Okay, so students, in the previous video we have read that Santosh Yadav, she was in Jaipur, okay, for her further studies. Okay, so when she was in her college, that was Maharani College, so her college semester, it was supposed to be end in April, okay, but it ended on the 19th of May. Okay, so her college semester, it was supposed that it will end in April, but finally it ended on 19th of May, okay? And I was supposed to be in Uttarkashi on the 21st, right? So in the previous video we have read this thing also, that Santosh Yadav, she enrolled in this institute of Uttarkashi, that is Nehru Institute of Mountaineering, okay? And now she is supposed to be there in this institute on the 21st of May, okay? So obviously she is not having any much time, okay? So I did not go back home. Instead, I headed straight for the training, okay? So because she was not having much time, so this was the reason that she did not go back home, okay? So from Jaipur, after completing her college studies, okay, she did not go back home, that was in Haryana, but instead she directly went for the training, she directly went for the institute that was in Uttarkashi, okay? I had to write a letter of apology to my father, without whose permission I had got myself enrolled at Uttarkashi, okay? So when Santosh Yadav, when she applied for this institute, when she enrolled herself for this institute, so at that time she didn't take the permission of her father, she didn't take the permission of her family, okay? So now she wrote one letter of apology, okay? She wrote one letter to her father just to say sorry, okay? Because without her father's permission, she enrolled herself in this institute, okay? Thereafter, Santosh went on an expedition every year, okay? So now finally, Santosh Yadav, she was in this institute, that is Nehru Institute of Mountaineering in Uttarkashi, okay? So now when she was getting the training, then every year she used to go for one expedition, okay? So what is expedition? It means a journey with a particular purpose, okay? Or we can say very adventurous journey, okay? So now she was getting the training, okay? So every year she used to go for one or other expedition, okay? Her climbing skills matured rapidly, okay? So now in her training sessions, all the climbing skills, okay, now they were developing. Matured means develop, okay? So now she was developing all her climbing skills rapidly, means in a very quick manner, okay? So very quickly she was learning this art to climb the mountain, okay? Also she developed a remarkable resistance to cold and the altitude, okay? So apart from developing all the climbing skills, she was developing a remarkable resistance, okay? Resistance means the act of opposing, okay? So resistance against cold and the altitude, okay? So what is altitude means? It means height to sea level, okay? Height of a particular place from the sea level, okay? So what it means? It means, students, that you know, when we climb a mountain, okay, then obviously we are going on a height, right? So obviously on high places the weather is very much cold, okay? So we should have a resistance to cold, okay? If we are too much sensitive, right, then obviously you know, अगर हम cold से resist नहीं कर पाएंगे, then we will not survive on that much height, okay? And we should have a resistance against the altitude. It means you know, जब हम you know mountain पे जाते हैं, जब हम height पे जाते हैं, so oxygen level जो है वो वहाँ पे you know कम होता जाता है, okay? So we can say the more height is increasing, the more oxygen level is decreasing, right? So we should have this kind of resistance, right, that we can resist against the cold weather, we can resist against the altitude or against the low oxygen level, okay? Then only we can survive as a mountaineer, okay? So Santosh Yadav, one side she was developing all the climbing skills, okay, and on the other hand she was developing a perfect resistance, okay, against cold weather and against the the altitude. Okay, so this was the reason she was on her journey to be a great mountaineer. Okay. Equipped with an iron will, physical endurance and an amazing mental toughness, she proved herself repeatedly. Okay, so now Santosh Yadav, she was equipped means she was having, okay, so she was having an iron will. Okay, so first of all we all know that she was having an iron will, or we can say she was having a lot of determination. Okay, so really she was a determined girl, and she was having a physical endurance. Okay, so endurance means toleration, so she was having physical strength. Okay, physically she was very fit, very strong, and she was having amazing mental toughness. Okay, so to be a successful mountaineer we should have a physical strength as well as amazing mental toughness should be there. Okay, so she was having all these qualities. Okay, and this was the reason that she proved herself repeatedly. Okay, so in each and every expedition she was proving herself, she was developing more and more. Okay, the culmination of her hard work and sincerity came in 1992, just 4 years after she had shyly asked the Aravalli mountaineers if she could join them. Okay, and the culmination means the highest point. Okay, so all the hard work, all the sincerity that was there in Santosh Yadav. Okay, so the highest point of hard work, the highest point of her sincerity, it came when in 1992, when just 4 years after she had very shyly asked the Aravalli mountaineers if she could join them. Okay, so in the chapter we have read that when she was in Jaipur, okay, when she was in Maharani College, okay, then one day she went to Aravalli Hills, and there she found some of the mountaineers. Okay, and she asked in a very shy manner if she could join them. Okay, so after 4 years of this incident in 1992, this was the highest point of her hard work, this was the highest point of her sincerity, of her of all the skills that she was having. Okay, at barely 20 years of age, Santosh Yadav scaled Mount Everest, becoming the youngest woman in the world to achieve the feat. Okay, so what was the achievement that was there in 1992? It was that she was barely 20 years of age. Okay, and Santosh Yadav, she scaled Mount Everest. Okay, and now she was the youngest woman in the entire world to achieve the feat. Okay, so now she was having this world record because she is the youngest girl, right? She was barely 90 years of age. Okay, when she scaled the Mount Everest in the year 1992. Okay, if her climbing skills, physical fitness and mental strength impressed her seniors, her concern for others and desire to work together with them found her a special place in the hearts of fellow climbers. Okay, so Santosh Yadav, she was having a lot of qualities. Okay, so first of all her climbing skills, her physical fitness and her mental strength. Okay, so we have read about these qualities that she was having all the climbing skills. Okay, she was physically fit, physically strong, and she was having mental strength. Okay, and all these qualities impressed all her seniors. Okay, so all the seniors of Santosh Yadav, they were really very much impressed with Santosh Yadav because she was having all these qualities, right? And her concern for others and desire to work together. Okay, so she was having a very much concern for others. Okay, always she was very much worried for the other people, for the other climbers, and she was having this desire that she should work together with all the other people. Okay, and this was the thing that found her a very special place in the hearts of fellow climbers. Okay, so all the seniors of Santosh Yadav, they were very much impressed with Santosh Yadav because of all her qualities, and all the fellow climbers of Santosh Yadav, right, they all like her, right? She was having a very special place in all the hearts of all the climbers because she was having the desire to work together, and always she was very much concerned for all the other climbers. Okay, During the 1992 Everest mission, Santosh Yadav provided special care to a climber who lay dying at the south col. Okay, so now one incident is there that during the 1992 Everest mission, okay, so in that mission Santosh Yadav, she provided special care to a fellow climber who lay dying at the south col. Okay, so this is one of the place that was there in the Mount Everest. Okay, so one climber was there and उसको उस क्लाइंबर को संतोष यादव she provided a very special care. Okay, she was unfortunately unsuccessful in saving him. Okay, but it was very unfortunate that she was not successful in saving him, but still she was very much concerned and she provided a very special care. Okay, so she did her best. Okay, but it was very unfortunate that she was not successful, okay, in saving him, right? However, she managed to save another climber, that is Mohan Singh, who would have met with the same fate had she not shared her oxygen with him. Okay, so she was unable to save that fellow climber, but there was one more climber, that is Mohan Singh. Okay, and Santosh Yadav, she managed to save this climber. Okay, and how, who would have met with the same fate? Okay, that fate was of this climber, right? That was at the south col. Okay, so जिस तरह से वो climber जो था he died, so this climber Santosh Yadav, he would have the same fate. Okay, had she not shared her oxygen with him. Okay, but Santosh Yadav, she saved this climber Mohan Singh by sharing her oxygen with him. Okay, so now we can understand, we can imagine that she is really very much concerned with all the fellow climbers. Okay, so she was having so much climbing skills. Okay, she was having physical strength and mental strength, but at the same time she was having a very good heart. Okay, she was very kind. Okay, because she shared her oxygen with this climber, that is Mohan Singh, and Santosh Yadav, she was able to save his life. Okay, within 12 months, Santosh found herself a member of an Indo-Nepalese women's expedition that invited her to join them. Okay, so after that expedition, that was of 1992, so after that within 12 months, okay, now Santosh Yadav, she found herself a member of an Indo-Nepalese women's expedition. Okay, so this expedition was there, that is Indo-Nepalese women's expedition. Okay, and Santosh Yadav, finally she was there in this group, okay, that invited her to join them, right? She then scaled the Everest a second time, thus setting a record as the only woman to have scaled the Everest twice. Okay, so now Santosh Yadav, with this expedition, she scaled the Everest a second time. Okay, and now she was setting a record because now she was the only woman in the entire world to have scaled the Everest twice. Okay, so both the time Santosh Yadav, she created a history, right? Because when she scaled the Mount Everest for the very first time, then she was the youngest woman. Okay, and when she scaled the Mount Everest second time, then she was the only woman in the entire world who was having this achievement. Okay, so both the time she set a world record. Okay, and securing for herself and India a unique place in the annals of mountaineering. Okay, and this time Santosh Yadav, she was able to secure for herself and India a unique place. Okay, and where? In the annals of mountaineering. Okay, so what is annals? Annals means historical records. Okay, so now Santosh Yadav, she was having this record. Okay, not only for herself but for India, the country. Okay, in recognition of her achievements, the Indian government bestowed upon her one of the nation's top honors, that is the Padma Shri. Okay, so Santosh Yadav, she was having really very big achievements. Okay, and in recognition of her achievements, now the government of India, right, it bestowed upon her. Bestow means to give. Okay, so the government of India gave her one of the nation's top honors. Okay, and what is it? It is the Padma Shri. Okay, so in this picture we can see Santosh Yadav, who is receiving this honor, Padma Shri. Okay, so finally she received this honor, Padma Shri, from the government of India, right? Describing her feeling when she was literally on top of the world, Santosh had said, okay, so when she was speaking about the feelings when she was there on top of the world, okay, so obviously Mount Everest is really top of the world, okay, so when Santosh Yadav, when she was on the Mount Everest, that is top of the world, so what was her feeling, okay, so when she was speaking about her feelings, she said it took some time for the enormity of the moment to sink in, okay, so what did she say? She said that it really took some time for the enormity of the moment. Enormity means very great or extreme, okay, so the greatness of moment, because really it was a very great moment when she was there on top of the world, that is Mount Everest, okay, so it was really a very great moment, very extreme moment, okay, so she said that जो ये इतना great moment था, it really took some time to sink in. Sinking means understood, or we can say to realize, okay, so she was saying that it took her some time to understand the greatness of the moment, the greatness of her achievement, right? Then I unfurled the Indian tricolor and held it aloft on the roof of the world, okay, after that when she realized the greatness of her achievement, when finally she understood, right, that उन्होंने कितना बड़ा अचीवमेंट जो है वो अचीव किया है, so after that she unfurled the Indian tricolor, okay, unfurled means to spread out, okay, so she spread out the Indian tricolor and then she hold it aloft on the roof of the world, okay, so what is aloft? Aloft means up in the air, okay, so after that she held it up in the air and where? On the roof of the world, okay, so Mount Everest, so we can say the Himalayas, it is regarded as the roof of the world, okay, so she spread out the Indian tricolor there on the roof of the world, okay. The feeling is indescribable, okay, and obviously this feeling when she was there on top of the world and she is having Indian tricolor in her hands, okay, so this feeling is something that is indescribable, it means very unusual or this is something very extreme, okay, जिनको words में explain नहीं कर सकते, इस तरह की जो feeling थी that she was having at that time when she was on the Mount Everest and she is having Indian tricolor in her hands, okay. The Indian flag was flying on top of the world, okay, so now the flag of India, that is the tricolor, now it was flying on top of the world, now it was flying on the Mount Everest, okay. It was truly a spiritual moment and this moment is really very spiritual, very special, very extreme moment, okay. I felt proud as an Indian, and Santosh Yadav, she was having this feeling of proud as an Indian, okay. Also a fervent environmentalist, Santosh collected and brought down 500 kilograms of garbage from the Himalayas, okay. So Santosh Yadav, she is having so many achievements, okay, she is having so many world records, okay, and apart from all those, there is something more about this great personality, and what is that? Santosh Yadav, she is a fervent environmentalist, okay. So what is fervent? Fervent means very sincere, okay, so she is a fervent environmentalist. To very sincere environmentalist means a person who is very much concerned about the environment, okay. So Santosh Yadav is really very much concerned about the environment, and this was the reason that she collected and brought down almost 500 kilograms of garbage from the Himalayas, okay. So students, जब हिमालय पे इस तरह की एक्टिविटीज होती हैं, राइट, क्लाइंबर्स वहाँ पे जाते हैं, सो ऑब्वियसली वहाँ पे थोड़ा गार्बेज हो जाता है. So in this picture we can see that Himalaya, it is full of garbage, okay. So Santosh Yadav, she was a very fervent environmentalist, she was very much concerned about the environment also, okay, and this was the reason that she collected and she brought down almost 500 kilograms of garbage from the Himalayas, okay. So really this is something very good for her. She is really a very great personality having so many achievements, right, but we can say she is very kind, she is having a very big heart, okay, and she is concerned with all the climbers, she is concerned for the environment also, okay. So students, the part 1 that is about Santosh Yadav, it ends here, right? And I am very much sure that you all are having a lot of motivation and a lot of inspiration after reading her journey, after reading the struggle, the challenges and the achievement that finally she was having. Okay, so in the next video we will start with the comprehension part. We will solve the questions. Okay, so see you in the next video. Thank you.